Hello and welcome back to another Unity Dev tutorial. This is a continuation of part 1 of UI panel development, and now we have already made a panel, and now what we'll be doing is we'll be animating these things here. So whenever you want your panel to be animated, you should first think about from where to where you want the animation to be done. So here in the career button we have all the important things which we require. But now what we want animation to be done. So I'll not be taking animation from outside. I'll be telling you how to make keyframe animations to work on Unity. So let's get started. Now in the previous video, if you haven't watched my previous video, please go and watch, and you'll come to know that how I have created all this. Now if you want your panel to appear from sideways, right? If you want your panel to appear from right hand side of your scene, what you will be doing is you will be dragging this panel to a bit right, and then you'll have to animate it to the center of the scene. I'll just play and I'll just check what's the position. It usually takes time to play. Now I'll just maximize it, and you will see that this is how my game is looking. So instead of taking free aspect, I'll just take this one. So this is basically how you can do. We'll be changing this one if we have to switch from standalone to Android devices. So let's be in landscape mode only. I mean free aspect. And now what we'll be doing is, first of all, I will be animating the panel. So let's do that. I'll create a new folder in the menu scene, and I'll just name it as animations. Animations, and let's do that. If you don't know how to create animations or to get animation window, you can go to window, animator, and there's also an animation. If you have, yeah, there is also an animation. So what you do is you have to click on your panel, then your animation window, and create. Now in animations I will be looking at panel animation, right, panel animation. So I know the position of the panel is 0 0 0 0, right? The position of the panel is 0 0 0 0. So what I'll do is I'll just stop this one, drag my panel this side, right? I'll drag my panel this side, and I'll play. Now what I'll do is I'll just drag it a bit by bit, click here. Now you know that this is another keyframe for animation. So we have small keyframes here so that you can animate a single step as well. So I'm taking a big keyframe here because I don't want it to be moving slowly. So now we'll drag it here, then here, then back here. Here is the position, and when we hit play, you can see that it is moving this side. Now it will go in continuous loop because we uh, haven't checked out the loop condition for this animation. So what we'll be doing is, first of all, we will stop this animation and we'll go to project. In the animator panel, when we have created animation, you see this loop time is checked. So uncheck it, and now when you'll play, okay, now when you play, you will see this. Okay. Oh, I was I made it in. Uh, okay, let's delete all this and we'll create a new animation. Okay, we'll create a new animation. Create, name it as panel anim. Yeah, and now what we will just drag it here from there to here, back here, back here again. And you see that the position should be 0 0, so you should make the position 0 0 manually. And I think the position is not 0. Um, delete this keyframe and from here just drag it. Yeah. So now when you'll play, it will be moving very fast from there to there. Now as I told you, you just have to go and uncheck this loop time. And now when you hit play, you can see that the panel is appearing just once. See this. But now one thing you have noticed that it is coming very fast. So what we will do is this is animator controller. Now if you haven't seen my Mechanim animation videos, you will not be able to get how to create Mechanim animation controller. Animation control because in that video I have already taught you how to make animator control. So if you haven't watched that, please go and watch that. And if you don't know how to create animator control, I'll tell you. Okay. So if you want to make an animator controller in any of your panels, go to your miscellaneous and this is animator and animation. So this is how you can get it. Now you just click on your panel, click here, and I won't maximize it. This is our animation clip which we have just created. So the speed is very fast. So we'll just reduce the speed to 0.5 and it will be moving with this. So I'll just yeah. So when you'll play and see, so the speed has been reduced. So this is how you can animate a panel. Along with the panel, you can also animate your buttons and these keys here, this image also. So how we can do that, we'll do in the next video.